I bet you can't guess the number one cybersecurity mistake small businesses make. It's not weak passwords. It's not outdated software. It's something far more basic and dangerous. Think you know what it is? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the answer, and it's going to change the way you think about protecting your business. Small businesses, you're in the crosshairs of cyber criminals right now. Think you're too small to be noticed? That's exactly what hackers want you to believe. In fact, 97% of small businesses don't realize they're targets, yet 43% of all cyber attacks focus on companies just like yours. Why? You're the perfect target. You're juggling a million tasks, and cybersecurity often falls to the bottom of your list. Hackers know this, and they're counting on it. Consider this real-world example. A family-owned bakery in Ohio thought they were safe with just basic antivirus software. One morning, they found all their systems locked by ransomware. Customer orders, recipes, financial records, all encrypted. The hackers demanded $50,000 to unlock everything, nearly forcing the bakery out of business. This isn't a one-off incident. Cyber criminals see small businesses as low-hanging fruit. They can hit multiple small targets in the time it takes to breach one large corporation. But here's something hackers don't want you to know. You have a powerful weapon at your disposal. It's not expensive software or complex firewalls. It's much simpler, yet incredibly effective. The critical weakness in most small businesses is a lack of employee training. Your team is your first line of defense against cyber attacks. If they can't spot a phishing email or a suspicious link, they're unknowingly leaving the door wide open for hackers. This is your opportunity to turn the tables. By investing in basic cybersecurity training for your employees, you can dramatically reduce your risk of an attack. It's like giving each team member a shield to protect your business. Now that you understand why you're a target, let's explore how these hackers are getting in. Once you know their tactics, you'll be amazed at how simple it can be to stop them in their tracks. Your biggest security threat isn't lurking in your hardware or software. It's your employees. Human error accounts for 95% of cybersecurity breaches. That means most successful attacks aren't due to sophisticated hacking, but simple mistakes made by team members. Picture this. An employee receives an email that looks like it's from a trusted vendor. They click a link, thinking it's an invoice. In that moment, malware infects your entire network. Your data is compromised, and operations grind to a halt. This isn't hypothetical. It's happening to small businesses every day. Phishing attacks, where cyber criminals pose as legitimate entities, are becoming more sophisticated and harder to spot. Take the case of a small marketing agency in California. An employee received an email that appeared to be from the CEO, asking for a fund transfer. Without verifying, they complied. The company lost over $50,000 in minutes. This attack differed from the Ohio bakery example by targeting a specific employee with a personalized approach. You might think, my team would never fall for that. But cyber criminals count on this overconfidence. They know many businesses haven't properly trained their employees to recognize these threats. So, how do you start building this human firewall? It's about implementing effective training strategies. Here are some key steps. 1. Regular simulated phishing tests to keep employees alert. 2. Interactive workshops on creating strong passwords and recognizing red flags. 3. Clear protocols for handling sensitive information and verifying requests. 4. Frequent updates on new cyber threats and tactics. By focusing on these areas, you can transform your team from your biggest vulnerability into your strongest defense against cyber threats. Remember, it's not about perfect security. It's about making your business a harder target than the next one. Your team is your strongest defense against cyber threats. An educated, vigilant staff can spot and stop potential attacks before they happen. This week, kick off your employee training program. It doesn't need to be complex or expensive. Start with the basics: identifying phishing emails, creating strong passwords, and handling sensitive data. Make this training a regular part of your business routine. You have the power to protect your business from cyber criminals. With the knowledge and strategy we've discussed, you can build a human firewall that makes your business a much harder target. Take action now. Implement these simple steps, and you'll significantly boost your cybersecurity. Now that you understand this critical mistake, let's dive into a simple solution you can implement immediately in the next video.